You think your modern SUV is reliable because it has a 5-year warranty and fancy sensors, but you are being criminally lied to by the automotive industry. We are talking about the era where engineers, not accountants, ran the factories. Machines built so tough that they make today's plastic-covered engines look like disposable toys. You need to watch this until the very end because I'm revealing the legends that can clock 500,000 miles without even breaking a sweat. If you're tired of planned obsolescence and want a vehicle that will actually outlive you, these are the only 10 names that matter. From a Japanese V8 that was built with $1 billion budget to a German tank that refuses to rust, we are uncovering the true kings of the asphalt that the dealerships don't want you to know about. Before we dive into the ironclad history of these immortals, hit that subscribe button for Garage History. We protect the legacy that the modern world tries to forget. Welcome back to Garage History. In my 15 years of trading, buying, and selling the world's most iconic machines, I've learned one hard truth. They really don't build them like they used to. The 1990s represented the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering, a golden era where brands were fighting for global dominance through sheer unadulterated quality. Today, we aren't just looking at old cars. We are analyzing mechanical fortresses. You're staying until the end because I'm going to break down the specific engines, the interior comfort, and the cold, hard market prices that make these the smartest investments you can make in 2026. These vehicles were over-engineered to a degree that would be bankrupting for a manufacturer today. We are starting with a luxury sedan so quiet and so durable that it literally terrified every European manufacturer into a decade of panic. Number 1. Lexus LS400. The Lexus LS400 is the legendary result of a billion-dollar gamble. At its heart lies the 1UZ FE 4.0L V8, a masterpiece of balance and durability that is widely considered the finest engine ever put into a production sedan. Step inside and you'll find Californian walnut trim and seats wrapped in leather so supple they feel like a high-end living room recliner, offering supreme long-distance comfort. This car makes our list because it redefined luxury as something that doesn't have to be fragile. It's a million-mile machine hiding in a silk suit. Currently, you can find well-maintained examples for $6,500 to $1,000. It is a silent, invincible titan that still shames modern luxury cars. But our next German entry offers a completely different kind of indestructible strength. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz W124 is often called the last real Mercedes because it was engineered to a standard, not a price. Whether you opt for the M104 inline-6 or the legendary OM66 diesel, these power plants are ironclad units capable of astronomical mileage with basic maintenance. The seating is famously firm but fair, utilizing high-quality springs rather than just foam to provide orthopedic support that lasts for decades. It makes this list because its build quality is virtually unmatched in automotive history, featuring a vault-like door thud and a chassis that laughs at rust. Expect to pay $7,500 to $15,000 for a clean 300E or E320. It is a timeless tank that refuses to quit, though our next Japanese off-roader is the only thing tougher than a German sedan. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser 80 Series. The 80 Series Land Cruiser is the mountain goat of the automotive world. Its 1FZ FE 4.5L inline-6 is a low-revving, high-torque beast designed to survive the harshest deserts on the planet without overheating. While the interior is rugged, the seats are surprisingly plush, designed for grueling multi-day expeditions where driver fatigue could be a death sentence. It earns its spot here because it is a true body-on-frame immortal that can climb a literal mountain and then drive you home in comfort. These have become serious collector's items, with prices now ranging from $18,000 to $35,000 for prime examples. It is a vehicle built for the end of the world, yet our next commuter king proves that even budget cars could once last forever. Number 4. Honda Accord 5th Generation. The 5th-gen Honda Accord is the unsung hero of the 90s suburbs. Powered by the F22 series engine, this 4-cylinder is a masterclass in simplicity, featuring a non-interference design that is practically bulletproof under pressure. The cabin is an ergonomic dream, with low-profile seats that offer incredible visibility and a cockpit feel that modern bloated sedans have lost. This car makes the list because it proved that a mass-market family car could achieve 300,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and timing belts. You can still pick these up for a bargain $2,500 to $5,000, making it the ultimate budget-friendly survivor. It's the reliable friend who never complains. But the next Toyota on our list is arguably the most dependable car ever built. Number 5. Toyota Camry 1510. In the early 90s, Toyota decided the Camry should be a mini Lexus, and the XV10 was born. Its 5SFE 2.2L engine is a slow-motion miracle of reliability, though the 1MZ V6 offers a smoother, more refined punch. The seating comfort is exceptionally soft, designed to soak up road vibrations better than many modern luxury crossovers. It earns its place because the tight tolerances and high-quality plastics used in the 1992 to 1996 models mean these interiors don't rattle even after 30 years of abuse. Prices for clean versions typically hover between $3,000 and $6,500. It is the gold standard of the boring but immortal category, but if you want something with a bit more American soul and boxy charm, look no further. Number 6. Jeep Cherokee XJ. The Jeep Cherokee XJ is a boxy icon that refuses to die, primarily due to the AMC-sourced 4.0L straight-six engine. This engine is a heavy-duty, cast-iron tractor motor that produces torque exactly where you need it and can run on almost anything. While the interior is basic and the seats are a bit flat, the compact dimensions make it an agile daily driver with a classic, rugged feel. It makes our list because it's the rare American vehicle from the 90s that could outlast its foreign rivals through sheer mechanical simplicity and a rigid uniframe. You'll find decent XJs for $5,500 to $14,000 depending on the trim and off-road mods. It's a legend of the trails, but the next Swedish vault redefines safety and longevity. Number 7. Volvo 240. Technically ending its run in 1993, the Volvo 240 is the Swedish brick that set the standard for longevity. Its B230 red block engine is so simple that a novice mechanic can rebuild it in a weekend, yet it's robust enough to handle 500,000 miles. The seats are legendary, often cited as the most comfortable and orthopedic-friendly designs of the era, perfect for long Scandinavian winters. It makes our list because it represents a philosophy of safety and durability that has been lost in the age of plastic crumple zones. Prices have climbed recently, now sitting between $4,500 and $11,000. It's a rolling vault that keeps on ticking, but our next entry is the most popular high-quality car in history. Number 8. Toyota Corolla E100. The E100 Corolla, sold in the mid-90s, is the car that cemented Toyota's reputation for being high quality. Its 4AFE engine is a masterpiece of efficiency and durability, capable of surviving total neglect while still starting on the first crank. The interior is surprisingly well put together, featuring soft-touch materials that have outlasted many of its contemporaries. It earns its spot because it was the last Corolla built with a cost-is-no-object mentality before the company pivoted to more aggressive cost-cutting. You can find these mechanical survivors for $2,000 to $4,500. It is the ultimate point A to point B machine that simply refuses to enter a scrapyard. Yet our next entry is the only driver's car on this list that's truly immortal. Number 9. Mazda MX-5 Miata NA. The original Mazda Miata is proof that a sports car can be as reliable as a refrigerator. The 1.6L or 1.8L B-Series engines were derived from Mazda's 323 family car, meaning they are built for high-mileage endurance rather than temperamental high performance. The tombstone seats are iconic, offering a snug, connected feel that makes you part of the machine, even if they aren't meant for a nap. It makes our list because it's a car you can redline every single day for 30 years, and it will still ask for more. Prices have exploded, with clean NAs now fetching $1,700. It's the joy of driving preserved in amber. But our final heavy hitter is the king of American fleet endurance. Number 10. Ford Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria is the undisputed king of the Panther platform. Driven by the 4.6L modular V8, this engine was designed to idle for hours and then endure high-speed pursuits, making it a favorite for police and taxi fleets. The seating is basically a giant plush bench, pure American comfort that makes you feel like you're floating on a cloud. It makes our list because its body-on-frame construction is so rugged that it can survive a rear-end collision that would total any other sedan. For $4,000, you are getting a heavy-duty tool that was engineered to be abused for a living. It is the end of an era for the American iron sled, a final salute to a time when cars were truly substantial. There you have it, the 10 machines that proved the 1990s were the absolute zenith of the automotive world. These cars weren't just transport, they were a pact between the manufacturer and the driver, a promise that if you took care of the machine would take care of you. In my 15 years as a dealer, I've seen these legends roll through my lot with 300,000 miles on the clock, looking and driving better than a 5-year-old crossover with a fraction of the distance. If you want to escape the trap of modern car payments and fragile electronics, any car on this list is a winning bet. Which of these 90s icons would you trust to take you across the country tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into reliability, hit that like button and subscribe to Garage History. We'll see you in the next one.